I'd like to take this opportunity to announce a very exciting development in the history of our exciting company. We've now appointed Mo Khan as our new CEO. I've been the kind of pretty hands-on executive chairman, co-founder for the last number of years, but we've really built a business where now we are the de facto world leader in the testing of antivirals, respiratory products, vaccines, etc. So I think it's time now to be a very much grown-up company, and having somebody like Mo on board is great. Mo's been with us since mid-October as a non-exec director. We've got to know each other very well, and I'm a bit sensitive at handing over my precious baby up on Orphan to somebody I don't know. So we've had 3 or 4 months of close work together. So now I think it's the ideal time. Mo has been very hands-on, kind of in the office nearly full-time since pre-Christmas. So great time for to have him on board. I'm not going away. I'm going to stay very hands-on on board as executive chairman. I am the largest shareholder. There'll be a lot for me to do, but I think Mo is the person now to keep us growing extensively going forward. He comes from 19 years in his previous company, Pharmaland, and he only exited there on the back of a very successful trade sale. So I think if he can replicate what he's done with Pharmaland here, we'll be very lucky. So without further ado, I'll hand over to Mo to say a few words on where he's going to bring us over the next couple of years.
Thank you, Cathal, for those kind words. It's obviously a pleasure and a privilege to be joining Open Orphan as CEO. I've been with the company as a non-executive director for 3 or 4 months to date, and I've got to meet the team and work with the board. And obviously, Cathal and the team have done an amazing job to put together Open Orphan. And I think there's no doubt, everyone agrees that Open Orphan is currently the world leader in human challenge studies. And I think taking that on forward is a great challenge, which I'm looking forward to. Over the last few months, I worked with the organization very carefully, met the management team, who I believe to be super talented. I worked with both the hVIVO and the Venn Life Sciences. The offices here in London, in Breda, and also in Paris. The scientific expertise that they have on board is second to none. They have built so many great viral challenge models in flu, RSV, even in SARS-CoV-2, being the first company to run a challenge study in that pathogen. Even this year, they've built a new model in malaria. So they're therefore building on a parasite pathogen model, hopefully running some studies later on in this year in that too. Of course, on top of all this, they've got this amazing tech-enabled and fully branded flu camp initiative, which they use to recruit patients for their study. Now that I've come on board, I kind of divide my own goals going forward into 3 groups. One is to engage with the employees and bring them forward and fully engage into growing the company and taking it to the next phase, and working with them, giving them the right training and career opportunities to meet their own personal goals. Secondly, working with the customers to make sure we continue to deliver the high quality service we have done to date and exceeding customer expectation across the board. And finally, of course, is to make sure that we give a long-term sustainable return to our shareholders who have been with us for a long time and have been loyal and patient. Initially, we were working on the commercialization of the group, ensuring that we make full use of our expertise and resources and sell our key strengths. And overall, going forward, I'm pretty optimistic about Open Orphan and what it can do as a full-service clinical service provider to our clients. I think we can build on what we have and expand into new areas and give long-term growth to our shareholders and help pharmaceutical companies and biotechs to bring their products to the market faster.